Last Ramadan. Fatima set 4 alarms for Ramadan. 4. She silenced the first one, then the second, then the third. By the 4th, the sun had already risen. She sat on the edge of her bed, exhausted, guilty, frustrated. Every night she stayed up for Taraweeh. Every suhoor she forced herself awake. And yet, she felt constantly drained. If this sounds like you, this video might completely change your Ramadan. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your sleep schedule in Ramadan without sacrificing worship, productivity, or your health. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the 5-step Ramadan Sleep Reset plan that actually works. Part 1. Why Ramadan sleep feels so chaotic. Let's be honest. Ramadan flips your entire schedule. You wake up at 4 a.m., you sleep at midnight or later. You eat at unusual hours. You drink less water. You reduce sunlight exposure. You scroll your phone at night. Then you wonder, why am I exhausted? It's not because fasting is too hard. It's because your circadian rhythm is confused. Your body thrives on rhythm. Ramadan removes routine. But here's the secret. Ramadan is not about less sleep. It's about smarter sleep. Part 2. The hidden sleep killers in Ramadan. There are 5 big mistakes. 1. Overeating at iftar. Heavy food hacks heavy body. When you eat large fried meals at 7 p.m., your body is digesting until midnight. You don't feel sleepy, you feel uncomfortable. 2. Late night scrolling. After Taraweeh, many people say, I'll just relax on my phone. Then suddenly it's 1:30 a.m. Blue light destroys melatonin. No melatonin, no deep sleep. 3. No post-Taraweeh. Wind down routine. You pray. You come home. You jump straight into bed. Your brain is still stimulated. You need a wind-down bridge. 4. Avoiding sleep entirely. Short naps were part of early Muslim tradition, but we've completely skipped them, replacing them with caffeine in our daily routines. 5. Caffeine after iftar. Taking tea, coffee, or energy drinks. At 10 p.m., then you wonder why you can't sleep. Caffeine stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours. That means 10 p.m. coffee is equal to 4 a.m. stimulation. Part 3, the Ramadan Sleep Reset Plan. Here's the system. Step 1, protect Fajr sleep. After Fajr, do not scroll. Do not start conversations. Pray, make dhikr, then go back to sleep within 30 minutes. This second sleep cycle is powerful. Even 60 to 90 minutes restores mental clarity. Step 2, strategic power nap between Dhuhr and Asr, 20 to 30 minutes. Set an alarm, lie down, no phone. Even if you don't fully sleep, the rest resets your brain. This prevents the Maghrib crash. Step 3, light iftar rule. If you want good sleep, reduce oil, reduce sugar, reduce massive portions. Heavy dinner is equal restless sleep. Step 4, digital sunset. After Taraweeh, no social media, dim lights, low conversation, calm environment. Prepare your body for sleep. Step 5, non-negotiable bedtime. Choose a time, stick to it, even if it means shortening Netflix. Even if it means shorter conversations. Ramadan discipline includes sleep discipline. Part 4, balancing worship without burnout. Many people believe less sleep is equal to more reward. But exhaustion reduces khushu. Allah does not want you destroyed. He wants consistency. The goal is sustainable worship, not dramatic burnout by day 12. Fatima changed 3 habits. No phone after Taraweeh. 20-minute nap daily. Coffee only before 9 p.m. within 1 week. She woke up before her alarm. She prayed Fajr calmly. She stopped dreading suhoor. Ramadan felt lighter, not because she slept more, because she slept intentionally. 7-day Ramadan Sleep Challenge. Day 1, no caffeine after 9 p.m. Day 2, 20-minute nap. Day 3, digital sunset. Day 4, light iftar. Day 5, back to sleep after Fajr. Day 6, fixed bedtime. Day 7, repeat everything. Consistency beats intensity. Missing Fajr isn't a discipline problem. It's often a system problem. Fix the system, and your worship becomes easier. Comment "Sleep Reset" if you're trying this tonight, and share this with someone who struggles waking up. Ramadan should feel peaceful, not exhausting.
Ramadan Mubarak.